Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech, and today I'm gonna have another unboxing for you guys with this case that I have here. But before I get into this unboxing, I would really appreciate if you could go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to get me to that 1,000 subscribers. I would definitely appreciate it. I'm currently at 925 subscribers at this recording, and I would definitely appreciate it if you could go ahead and subscribe, help me to get to that 1,000 subscribers. All right, so let's jump into the video. So this case is made by WSKEN, as you can see here, and this is a shockproof slim case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They do offer this for the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro as well, and I'm gonna have the link for all the for the case for whichever model of the iPhone you have, the 13, 13 Pro, or 13 Pro Max. I'm gonna have the link in the description so you can go ahead and purchase this case if it's something that you think you want to have for your iPhone. Okay, so let's open this. And it does have military grade drop protection as what was listed in the description on Amazon. Okay, so here's the case. Let's open this, put this aside, and you can see it does have the carbon fiber grain patternings on this case here. Looks similar to a spigen case. The design is really nice. Hard case, and as you can see, no fingerprints so far, no visible fingerprints on this so far, so that is a plus. So this is a great case to have if you're worried about getting fingerprints. And the carbon fiber look is really nice thick edges here. It does have a little lip here to protect your screen, and we have our regular cutouts here at the bottom. At the back, a camera bump, volume up and down, and it has a nice squared off design on the side. Some of them are rounded out, but this one is nice and squared off to match the squared look on the iPhone. Really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now, put this on the iPhone, see what it looks like. Fits really nice and snug. As you can see, we didn't have to put up too much fight to get this in the case. It goes in really nice. Wow, look at this nice case. The carbon fiber grains really stands out on this case. Looks really nice. As you can see, we have our cutout here for our volume. Let's see how clicky those are, if they're hard or they're easy. I hate some of those cases where you have to put too much force to click the buttons. This one's really nice and soft. Same goes for the volume up and down. And we have our cutout here for our silent switch. Nice size cutout, so I can get my finger in here, turn it on and off easily. There we go. Alright, so we get to that easy. We didn't have to do too much to reach that button. We have our camera cutout here at the back as well. A nice little lip here to protect your cameras if your phone is down on the back. Alright, if we put our phone face down, same thing, offers good protection here. As you can see, we have the lip here over the screen, and I do have a screen protector on here, and it's still a little bit higher than the screen protector, so that tells you that it does offer good protection for your screen. All right, this raise on this case here, the lip is raised high enough to protect your screen just in case it falls face down. Okay, same thing for the back here. If it falls on the back, your cameras are protected with the height of this lip here that goes for the camera. This lip that goes over the camera cutout here offers great protection. The height is pretty good. It covers the camera, so if it falls on the back here, it goes on here first. Okay, and as you can see, they do have a little raise here at the bottom. It does protrude a little bit. If I turn the phone this way, you can see right here when I put my finger here that it's raised a little bit. So if your phone goes down on the back here, it hit these stands right here so it doesn't scratch this carbon fiber design here first. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's nice. All right, so that's how it looks. Or cutout here at the bottom, or speaker grill or lightning port cutout is really precise and squared. Some of them are rounded. This one's kind of have a rectangular shape, squared off design here. Okay, looks really nice all around. So let me turn this around so you see how it looks. At the bottom, we're on the left side of the phone. Cutouts are really nice and everything. At the top, and our cameras as well. Beautiful case, looks really nice. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you out. If you're out there trying to find a nice looking case, I would definitely recommend this one. It looks really nice as far as the design, protection, and the price as well. It's a really good price. It's $16.99 for the regular price. On Amazon, I was able to get this case for $8.72 on the Cyber Monday deal, which is a steal. That's like 50% off. So that's pretty good for a case. $16.99 and you're paying $8 with 50% off. That's really good. You can't complain, because the quality on this case, the design, the material, it's right on par with the Spigen and all those other cases, and it's pretty beautiful as far as you can see. The color of this phone, the shade in the back here, this doesn't have any fingerprint. It's not a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. No fingerprints visible. This carbon fiber design looks really nice with the carbon fiber grains. As you can see, it's not all over the place. It's in one pattern going up this way. So definitely would recommend this case, especially when you think about the price. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope this video helps you out if you're looking for a case for your iPhone. Okay, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can purchase this case. And I'm gonna have it for the 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, and 13 Mini. I'm not sure if they have for the Mini, but if it's there, I'm gonna have that linked in the description as well, so you can make your purchase. All right, and thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, get me to that 1,000 subscribers that I really need, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.